Hi guys, it's Sherry. So today I decided to make a different type of earrings, which is an ancient text earring with jade stone. I'm absolutely in love with these earrings. They are mine, and I would like to show you how to create this piece. So let's get started. Okay guys, so to start out, I got my clay. I picked this copper color clay with the gold sparkles in it. I'm not sure exactly what kind of polymer clay this is. I got it probably about 6 months ago in a kit, and I really don't even remember what it is. But these earrings are for me, so it's not a big deal. I'll know how to properly take care of them. So if the clay is more of a fragile clay, it will not break on me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just slicing off, making it a clean edge. And then I got these really neat stamps that are like ancient write-ins. And I just thought they were really cool. So I wanted to incorporate them into the earrings. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of line up the area. So I know I want this little man looking character with the stones at the top or the bottom. So I'm going to place that here. I'm going to press down, and then I'm going to firmly roll this so I could get a nice impression. Okay. And that came out really good. Let's see if, all right, that I like. Okay, so then my second one, we're going to lay over here, and we're going to do the same thing. Get everything out of the way, press down, and just roll. Okay. And go right here. Okay. So that's my first step. Okay. So now, get the roller out. Lift these up. I'm going to clean up the edges a bit. Just pat them down. Do the same thing. I almost feel like that's the proper way to do it. Yeah. I'm going to set that one on this side. So then I have these little jade stones that I want to add to the bottom of these earrings. So I want to make sure I have them on exactly where I want them. So make sure they're level. Going to line these up perfectly so I get my stones in the exact same area. Okay, now I'm just going to press down a little bit. Get straight. Okay. Put that off to the side for the time being. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this clay, and I'm going to make it into a little ball, and then I'm going to make it into a little snake. Okay. Then I'm going to take this wrap it around. And I'm going to carefully match these up. I just want to blend this just a little bit to kind of hide that little crease that I made. I'm going to put some scratches in here to kind of go with it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put my earring hole. Okay. So now this one, I can move off to the side for right now. Now I can bring this one over. And I'm going to do the same thing. And once again, carefully line it up. Okay, we're going to push it back together. Blend these pieces together. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing, make it look like a little sun is coming up. Okay. Do my hole. I have my metallic rub-ons, so I'm just going to use my finger and just lightly rub on a little bit of gold. Not too much, just a little bit to give it a little bit different look. Okay. It'll come off the stone, so I'm not overly worried about that. Okay. And then we'll get this one and do the same thing. Okay, so I'm actually going to stick this into my toaster oven for a half hour. And then when we come back, we'll be able to do a quick gloss over it, put them together, and they should be complete. Okay guys, so now my earrings are out. They're pretty flexible, so I'm happy with that. So that means to me that I have a pretty decent clay here, that I don't have to worry about them breaking at all. So my first step that I actually want to do is see if these gems are going to come out, see if they need to be super glued. And that looks like they're in there pretty good, so I'm not going to worry too much about them. So I have my little O-ring. I'm going to open them up. Place it on there. Let me put it a little further. There we go. Get my small one. Put that on. Close it. Actually, put it on. Now I'm going to reclose it. I'm going to do my next one. Let me close that again. And the last thing I'm going to do is I have this Sculpey gloss glaze. I'm going to take a little bit of that. Oops. Brush that on. Get my sides. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. This stuff doesn't take too long to dry, which is one of the reasons I absolutely love it. Okay, so now my pieces are completely dry, and the only thing left to do is to take a little wet wipe, clean the stones, and I gotta say I am very, very pleased with these. They were simple to do, and I am looking forward to wearing these tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.